Make your noises.
He's mesmerized by the light now.
Now make your noises. Where did the light go?
Where you at, Gabe?
I think they're mesmerized by the fact that a phone's in their face, because Delilah does the same thing.
Uh-huh. I hate that, because he stops doing everything. You can't never catch it on the camera. Come on, Gabe.
We're blocking it for a second.
Fist in your mouth. You want the fist in your mouth? No.
I'm just on the phone.
Yeah. Fist. Psych. Fist. Psych. You were just cutting up a second ago.
Look, I hide it behind Mommy on the slick.
What you doing?
Oh, come on.
He is like stuck on that phone. He's like, wait a minute.
Something's looking at me.
Something's up.
Wait, hide it again.
Okay. No.
No. Gabe. Oh.
No.